feel big like it did when we were kids, like it did when we were kids. I'm tired of living in a small world. I need a big world, one where the stars still shine. My father's only getting older. He said, son, I told ya, don't ever leave your past behind. Those same old stories that used to bore me. Oh, what I'd give to hear them one last time. I'm not ready, 'cause I want the world to feel big like it did when we were, like it did when we were, like it did when we were. I want the world to feel big like it did when we were kids, like it did when we were kids. Remember the days when we were younger? We look up and wonder, how could we touch the sky? Picturing life like it's a movie. We're all assuming that everything will turn out fine. Then we look over our shoulder and start to wonder what we left behind. I want the world to feel big like it did when we were, like it did when we were, like it did when we were. I want the world to feel big like it did when we were kids, like it did when we were kids.
We are in beautiful Costa Maya, Mexico.
Tequila!